Joan of Arc in part 2 of our Kawasan Waterfall adventure. I'm wearing this stupid headgear just to let you know that we are now on part 2. Now we're headed to the next waterfall and I'm already out of breath. I'm doing the hike as well and and the view is just so awesome, and it's vlogging is a great excuse for me to slow down. It's a steep climb, a bit slippery, so watch your steps. And by the way, our tour guide now is Roberto again. From there you get to see this. What an awesome sight. And still up we go to the next waterfall. Next stop you see a lovely wooden bridge and another waterfall. But still onward we go. Whoops! Wow!
Onward we go. Whoops! Wow! Onward we go. Whoops! Wow!
You know, I nearly had a terrible accident. You saw those coconuts that dropped down from the tree. If I had not been vlogging and just went on, they could have hit me. I was just a few meters away from those coconuts. So these are the not so good things about coconuts. Rats eat them off and they just get weak, the branches, and the coconut fruit would fall off, or maybe because of weight. So wow, this is a new day for me and I thank God that I'm in one piece. And no coconut tragedy happened today. It's a beautiful day. I'm good, thank you so much. I have a little fright, of course. I got scared, yeah, it could happen. But I'm good. And well, no amount of this stupid headgear could protect me, not even a helmet. It was a whole bunch of coconuts. It's just scary. But onward we go again. Onward we go, and there's another waterfall over there. It's still beautiful. Everything's so beautiful. Maybe that's the lesson of today's vlog. Learn to appreciate the beauty of nature. Thank you so much. Still thinking about my freak coconut close call. I am so thankful that nothing serious happened. I just had a bruise on my shin. One coconut did get me on the shin, but that's sad. I'm glad that I'm all safe, and I hope there are no more coconut trees doing that trick on other people. That's not just good. So there's another little waterfall for you, and people go out there to jump. Yep. Okay, a jumping fan basic. Let's do it here. I'd rather not. Ken is about to jump, and wow, there he goes. Good job, Ken. Do it, Anna. Woo! Wow, that was Roberto giving them a sample of the next level jump. Wow, way to go, Ken! Woo! Wow! That's a good one! Yay! Kawasan is just so gorgeous. I'm now river trekking, so it's a bit hard to trek on water because I'm next to the other falls. Look at that! Those are... Did you see that? Ooh. And then another. Whoa, what was that? Oh, those were helmets. They're tossing off their helmets. Okay, brave guys. So off with my stupid headgear. This is Joan of Arc from Kawasan, Badian, Cebu Islands. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.